The intro girl. I mean,
yeah, I'm recording on my phone,
Yeah,
and that's also my tablet. You can both see it.
Okay, so we have a squishies.
Well,
for
we
the
have
trade.
2 new squishies. I mean 3. This green dumpling.
Don't forget that this is our part 2 from Fidget Trading.
Yeah, and now we have this Kuromi. And then this
We should
Kuromi.
get started.
Okay.
Okay, so I have you put stuff too. I have this jellyfish blue.
Okay. Last time I didn't trade this.
Trade it.
Okay. Are you even recording? You weren't even recording. Okay, so I have this purple dumpling.
Wait, we need the intro.
Purple dumpling.
We need this. Hi guys. So we are fidget trading. I'm the intro girl. So
Your intro girl?
yeah, I got some squishies here and one poppet. So
This purple squishy.
don't forget that this is our part 2 from Fidget Trading. We're not on the floor, we're on the table. And this is our fidget paper. This is my mom's.
Your sister. This is my sister's phone. Okay, let's just get started. We've been doing the intro too much.
Yeah, wait.
Wait, these are mine.
I'm hungry.
Oh, you're gonna eat that? Okay.
I don't know if it's good.
I think it is good. Let's put the squishies here because they need to see it. Okay.
Okay, if I had it.
Okay. What is this? Girl.
What? I can pop it.
No, you put that on my paper. Girl, don't put it on the paper.
Okay, so I have this blue jellyfish.
Oh my God, let me
squishy. Octopus or something.
Jellyfish. Yaka cut out the... My sister cut out the...
Yeah, I did that.
Okay, so I got...
Yeah, stop.
I got this... Stop! I got this purple square. I'm gonna push you.
Stop.
What did I do?
Stop.
No, I'm gonna hit your big thing. Okay.
Wait, you're recovering.
Okay, stop. I'm gonna make you fall. Okay.
Add. Add 2.
Okay.
Wait, where's the pink dot? Oh wait,
I threw it. I mean,
I threw it.
No, I threw it, but I didn't know it would go there.
I know I dropped it. No one said that.
Okay, I have this yellow dumpling. What?
I got this pink squishy. I mean, square squishy.
Okay. Except.
And
Okay.
I got this blue. I got this orange puppet.
I got this pink bread. I didn't trade it in the last video.
So now she's trading it.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's so messy.
And I'm gonna trade that.
No, you only have one. Well, you
I'm
can have
gonna
this.
trade that. No, that's yours. I'm gonna trade that.
Okay, except. Yeah! Oh my. Don't rip the paper, bro. Oh my gosh. Okay, at least I have so many cubes now.
Okay.
Okay, I only have 4. No, 5.
More. So my hands are laughing.
Why? Stop.
Yeah.
You start. It's like Miss Bench.
Oh yeah, Miss Bench collab with
Oh.
us.
No, she
not
didn't.
her, that's okay. We don't do it. Okay. We
Girl,
met
just talk.
her. We met her a few days ago, and we fidget trade. So we wanted to fidget trade.
Okay. Okay, this fidget trader did not talk. We had to talk. I'm gonna trade this purple, this pink, and ice cube.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay. I'm gonna trade you a vet. This is yours.
No. You put it here.
I'm gonna trade this, and I'm gonna trade this, and I'm gonna trade this.
You want me to add?
Add a lot.
Okay, I'm gonna add this. 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 I'm gonna add.
Okay, step.
Okay. Wait. How are we gonna know which is ours?
Okay.
Okay. Wait. Is this mine?
And that's yours.
Oh.
You might trade this.
Okay. Oh, your face. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna trade you my purple Kuromi water
I'm gonna
squishy.
trade you one.
I should have got my rainbow dumpling. Should I get it?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Guys, I'm gonna come with her.
You can go. Okay, you can.
Just wait for us.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can. I don't know.
Should we bring the camera with us?
Bring that ball.
Okay. Okay, so we are going to go get.
How is this gonna fit on the paper?
Yeah, bring a bigger one.
How?
Just bring it.
Okay. So wait.
Don't show
Okay. So we have this. Wait. Show the dumpling.
No.
Oh.
Wait until
The solid little.
Yeah. I dropped it.
I hate you.
Okay. Can I trade it to you?
Okay, but it's mine.
I'm gonna trade you this. Okay. Except no. Add.
Okay.
Add. You add me nothing.
Okay. Wait, I'm adding you this. Wait.
That's it. I got more. Okay, wait.
Piece out. Okay, I'm gonna trade you this green dumpling.
Add.
Okay, I'll trade you this yellow dumpling.
Add.
I'm gonna trade you this.
Add.
Girl. Okay, I'll trade you
Okay.
this.
Thank you. Oh wait.
This is mine. Okay. I have this big rainbow dumpling. You're it. Okay.
Delicious.
Okay. Look how big this is. It feels like a sherbet. Oh,
It
it
is.
popped on me.
It is
No.
a sherbet.
Something popped on me.
I want to add here. I want to do my stuff.
You don't want to do this?
I mean, I want to do my stuff.
But you want to do this too?
I want to play Roblox.
Okay. We're going to be almost done. So, girl. So we have this big rainbow dumpling. Okay. Let's do, girl, I'm going to take your squishies. So I took one. So I'm going to push this purple.
You're scamming me.
I didn't scam you. I took one. Okay.
You.
Wait, my hand's sticky?
Go get my phone.
Okay. And then I'm going to go. Okay, so I have this pink bread. Okay. And then I have this pink Nito. Oh, my dad is here. And then I have this purple jellyfish. I don't know.
Oh, wait, charging.
Okay. Blue. I'm gonna just do this one. We're almost done with that. Blue. Okay, and now, bye guys. Bye. Bye. Okay, you can say bye, and I say bye. You press, I think that. Okay.
Bye, guys. So,
Bye guys.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Only if you